Hi everyone, in this video today I want to show you the new Avantree DG80, which is this adapter that I have here. It is a Bluetooth adapter that the computer detects as an audio device, and it transmits the audio by using the Bluetooth protocol to headphones or adapters like this one, which transforms headphones into Bluetooth. So it's a really good device, and here I will show you how easy it is to use it. So basically all we have to do is we are going to just plug it in the computer, and you're going to see that the computer detects it, says setting up device. And now if I go to the audio settings, I'm going to open some settings here, you can see that it detects it and selects it as the default method. It says Avantree DG80. Now if I go to the control panel, let's take a look here. It will have the bit depth, it will have a bit depth of 16 bits and 48 kilohertz, which is standard for these types of adapters. And the Avantree has the aptX low latency codec, and I have here the FIIO BTR5, which is a really nice adapter that I use. It's a DAC and Bluetooth DAC as well. So to pair it, all we have to do is we're going to click the button here, and I'm turning it on, the FIIO, and turning it on, and I'm going to put it in pairing mode. And yes, it's connected, but I'm actually going to, there we go, it's in pairing mode. Now I'm going to let it pair. There we go, it says connect, and there you can see it automatically is in aptX low latency. So yeah, it works. It's like that. Then we also have here the Hybrid W3, and the reason to use this is that the FIIO BTR5 does not have volume control. When it comes to simultaneous volume control, it doesn't work. The FIIO BTR5 has independent volume controls, and that's why you're not seeing that it is changing the volume. Now if I connect the Hybrid W3, this one, and again I'm turning it on, let's put the adapter into pairing mode again. It should be, it's on. So let me turn it off and set it into pairing mode. There we go, it's in pairing mode, and it connected actually. There we go. So now again, if I click the volume buttons, you can see that it is changing them in the computer. So it works with the adapter buttons. You can see that it's changing. So that's really convenient, because that way you can change the volume as well as play, pause, and that sort of stuff with the music. So yeah, this is a basic overview of the Avantree DG80 adapter, and as you can see, it works on both of my headphone DACs and Bluetooth DACs. So yeah, basically this concludes this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.